play around with fasting however you want. Do a 5-day, do a 4-day, try a dry fast, try a water fast if you want to. Try a dry fast where you literally eat no food at all, and also don't drink any water or anything. And take it a step further, like the people that really are diehard about the dry fasts, they avoid showering, they avoid brushing their teeth, they avoid anything where they're even touching water, because most of us should know, many of us don't, but most of us should know that our skin organ is a breathable organ. It basically just means that it will suck in things. So like when we do an Epsom salt bath, for example, our skin pulls in the Epsom salt. Our skin pulls in that magnesium that comes from the Epsom salt. It's actually really, really good for us. But the same thing, like if we get inside of water, our body actually soaks it up, kind of like a sponge, maybe not as drastic, but definitely we are gaining water. So if you want a real dry fast, you will avoid all of that kind of stuff for a certain amount of days. Feel free to play around with it. If you ever have any questions about fasting or something, I've been doing it a long time and I love it. You can definitely reach out to me. But at the end of this episode, I really want you to be able to think of, like, when am I going to eat? Because when am I going to record an episode? Should I go out and have like a giant pizza? No, I'm probably going to be lethargic. My brain is probably going to be shut off if I do that. Should I have turkey? No, turkey has some type of, it starts with a T. So I had to look it up. It's tryptophan. Anyway, this random amino acid that's in turkey that actually does make you sleepy. But the point is, when you eat a big meal, and or if you have tryptophan, when you have a big meal, you're going to feel lethargic. You're going to feel sleepy. Your brain's going to kind of shut off. And I don't want that for you if you're about to record an episode. I want you to be able to be functioning at the highest level. So just consider when you're going to eat, how much you're going to eat, what you're going to eat. And remember that if we eat clean, if we eat beneficial foods, like stuff that's not coming from a box that doesn't have more than one ingredient. If we have things that have just one ingredient, basically meat, fruit, salt, we're probably going to be fine. And if we do things from a box that has 27 different ingredients, we're not going to feel as well. We're not going to be on the top of our game as a podcaster, for sure. So consider using fasting. Consider doing a day, one meal a day. Consider doing a window, and or consider just simply making sure that you eat after your podcast episode.